What is the meaning of growth in life? Are we moving somewhere in direction? Is there some movement in direction? Have we grown somewhere? Have we become quiet? Have we become equanimous? Has our anger lessened? Can we claim 10 years back I was not that close to God as I am today? Can we claim that I am not that attached as I was there earlier? Can we say today my reactions are lesser than I was? I used to be very angry, but now my anger is less. Can we say, before I pass away, this is the destination I want to achieve in my life? Can we say that I want to love Lord Krishna today? Has our questions changed? Do we feel that let me go and sit at the feet of a saint and serve him day and night? Has that dream come that I will sit and I will read Ramayana, I will be very quiet at that time? Has that dream come that let my mind become Vrindavan and Bhagwan Shri Krishna should dance there? Has that kind of vision come, let me go to my Guru and press his feet and make some good food for my Guru? Has that thought come that let me remain my life a selflessly unknown person all around? This is called progress of a person. That whatever may happen, I am not that disturbed now. We don't pursue any goal in life. We are just pushed from one situation to another situation, another situation, another situation. Many days have passed, many nights have passed. And then we say we are progressive, we are intellectuals. Is this what is called the progress? Are we on any path? Those who are not on the path, they are in the jungles. The day you have a goal in life, the day you feel that after some times I have to be like that, I don't want to experience my mental sorrows. My sorrow is my own making. I don't want to be attached to anybody. I don't want to come so close to anybody that I have to suffer from that person. I don't want to be a cause of sorrow for anybody also. The description of Bhakt or the devotee, what Gita says, I want to be that devotee. As my Guru want, I want to be like that. What can I do for that? I don't want to live a life of routine life of earning and eating and sleeping. That's not my life. I want to be wise in my thinking. May anything happen, I should not have fear. When I leave the body, I don't want to cry and go that somebody I am leaving. I want to live laughingly in this world. I want that Bhagwan should be there in front of my eyes when I leave the world. Do we have that vision in our life? Do we have a dream in our life? Do we have a kind of some pole star in our life that which see this is my inspiration? Do we follow anybody in our life? Can we give our small self to somebody? Where is the goal of our life? Where are we heading towards?